Innocent cigarettes, though I never smoked them. Doubled into twos just to awaken the emotion. Wrote it so it wasn't spoken from the ear of ocean. How can you be stuck inside my chest when I've been meaning to put it to rest? But I'll find the time to recover if leaving was all that you wanted. 'Cause every now and then it passes, the feeling that is everlasting. And soon I'll be happy when drowning in the rain. If nothing could take me to heaven, not even to die for a minute, then I deserve hell. Bet you never meant for this to linger with meaning. If I ever ask, you'll probably question